Fake watches or replica watches have become extremely popular with time. A lot of people simply cannot afford the real thing, so they go and buy the replica version. Now, many people buy replicas for various reasons. Whether you want to impress a certain someone, whether it's for an occasion, or if you're like myself, you want to buy these watches and see what's inside them to compare them to the real thing. Now, I only have one fake watch, and it is the Rolex Explorer 2. Here, I also have the real one. Now, the reason I bought this is to make a comparison for you guys, which I did upload on my channel. However, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to show you what's inside this replica Explorer 2, and all I'm going to say is I have no high hopes of any high quality movements inside this watch. If you're new to this channel, I am the local watch guy, and be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell icon to stay tuned and updated for my channel whenever I release new content. Now that I've opened the watch, the tools that I used were simply the screwdriver as well as the pliers from the Amazon tool set, which I made a full review on. I've used the tweezers, and I also used a rubber stress ball to open the case back, and to open the bezel I used the bezel opener, and to get those really tiny screwdrivers, not the screwdrivers, sorry, I mean the little tiny screws, I used the Bergeron screwdrivers, and that did the job perfectly. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This brings us to the end, and I tried my best to dissect the replica Explorer 2 and show you what's inside, and I'm not gonna lie, it was initially tough to get certain parts out. Then again, I don't think I'll be putting this watch back together. It was just an informative video to show you what's inside the replica Explorer 2. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually impressed by what's inside the replica Explorer 2, and you know, they went to really far measurements to get the detail on the inside. Obviously, I wouldn't say they did the worst job, but you know, props to the fake market for actually bothering to go and put extremely tiny screws and everything. And obviously they're not original, but then again, it wasn't the easiest thing opening this watch. This is my first time ever opening a watch and seeing what's inside. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. There are more videos that I'll be uploading very soon. Very different videos each time. It's not always going to be watch reviews, so stay tuned for that. Then again, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.